this video, you will explore how to use the Get Tooltip text keyword in Avo Assure to obtain or view the tooltip text of a captured element from the SAP application. Begin by adding the first test step by selecting author_menu_btn from the element name dropdown and Get Tooltip text from the descriptive keyword dropdown. Then, add the output value as GTT in curly brackets. Add one more test step and select it generic as the element name, and display variable value as the descriptive keyword. Once done, enter the input value as GTT in curly brackets. Do note that this input value is the same as the output value in the first test step. Save the designed test steps and debug them. With the successful debugging of the designed test steps, you will notice that the tooltip text of the captured element on the SAP application is displayed in the Avo Assure Client window.